Here is a Braun analog clock with a quasar's movement, and it has some pretty interesting features. Like most things in my life, this has been around for quite some time. I actually just put batteries in it now after it not having them for, 20 some odd years, maybe even 25. Been a long time since this thing has seen the light of day. But this is going back I probably had this about 25 years ago. Maybe even a little more than that. Don't remember where it came from or anything. My mother may have gotten it somewhere. It has, well, first of all, we'll just go over here. It looks like it's a Type 4775/AB50rsl, made in Germany, not China. Made in Germany, not China. Being that it's old, it has a light, which you could actually see right there. That black thing in the corner. It's sort of hard for me to, there it is. And when you press the button up here, it's incandescent. That's right, you press it and it's incandescent. And let me shut the lights and just show you. Oh, I forgot about that. The hands glow in the dark. I didn't even know that. I did not remember that at all. But let me hit the button. And that's what you get. It's actually really just enough for you to mostly figure out. I wish it would stay on longer. I don't know if you hold it. Yeah, I guess it will stay on if you hold it, so that's an awesome feature. Just for you to barely figure out what time it is. The camera, yeah, now you can figure it out. I don't have the time set, but I'll set it and then we'll play with it and stuff. To set it, you take the back off. Here's where the batteries go, and this does not look like the typical quasar's movements that we see today that are a dime a dozen from China. Your little squeaker can for the alarm. Takes 2 AA batteries. Thank you very much. There are some capacitors on the board. And like, wow, there's all your stuff, and this is how you set the time, that little wheel there. This big green one sets the alarm. So if I turn this and turn this, it is about 325. So we'll get that dialed in. That's close enough right there. I guess I'll just leave the back off because there's no need to put it back for now. And for the alarm, you press that and it raises up and leaves a green stripe to let you know. And when it's down, it's down. But this also has another interesting feature. I'll go ahead and turn the alarm dial until the alarm goes off, and hopefully I won't trip it up. So that's your typical alarm, but you just wave your hand and it stops it. Simple as that. I don't remember if that's like a snooze. I don't think so. I think that might cancel it until, or maybe it is. Yeah, I guess it would sort of have to be a snooze, because when you get up, you're like, oh God, the alarm, you go to reach for it, it shuts off. And then some people will be like, I didn't press the button, so I'm falling back asleep. But nobody uses these things. They use their fucking phone. Garbage. You need a real clock. And this will work. There. And look at the... I've seen it do that before too. Even when I first had it, it would sometimes jump like 2 seconds. So you need a real clock, and that shuts the alarm for sure. I don't know what the just happened, but anyway, sort of an interesting design with the incandescent bulb. The AC is taking a leak, and just, yeah, a German-made analog clock. That's boy, that AC's full. Oh my. I hope it'll flush. Anyway, that's going to do it for this. The Braun AG Type 4775/AB50rsl analog clock made in Germany, and it's been around for years and will probably work 50 years from now if I put batteries in it, if I'm actually even alive then. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and don't throw these things out. There's no reason. People will toss this because they don't know how to read it. There's going to be somebody on the planet. Even Wikipedia can teach you how to read this thing. You can't get things like this anymore. And so many of these ended up in landfills because millennials. Anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like and fuck, I don't know anymore. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.